Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Bungalows for Bachelors Home Design program. I'm excited to have you guys here. I'm excited to show you guys how to draw some plans. This is going to be fun. Let's get right into it. The first thing you guys got to do is you got to go to chiefarchitect.com. Looks just like this on the screen, and we are going to scroll down until we see buy now. That is right. This is where you got to pay $200. $200 for a month opportunity, guys, and that's going to get you your chance to use this software and get yourself some plans. So, go ahead and basically buy now. You're going to go through this process. You're going to get your monthly subscription, and this is going to buy you 1 month to achieve like whatever drawing goals you've wanted. So that's the plan. That's what you got to do. Once you've paid for this software and downloaded it and you've got it on your computer, then the next thing is going to be you're going to go over to the user center, go to catalog downloads, and go ahead and just search the word James. What you need is 2 libraries. That's going to work with my template. Go to materials and surfaces and click James Hardy, and then you're going to download, and then of course you're going to have your account, so you'll log in, and then you're going to download the current version, like X16 or 15 or whatever the current version is that your software is. Hit download. If you click the download button and open that downloaded file while you are in the software and the software is open, it will just automatically dump everything where you need it. You don't have to do anything special. You just open the file. All right. So you're going to get James Hardy, and you're going to type in TEED, TEED, and you're going to open CertainTeed. I've got my roofing set up by some of the products that are in CertainTeed. So just do the same thing, download this, open the file up while your software is open, and it'll populate the materials for you. That way you don't get weird error codes saying, hey, you're missing this roofing material. All right, great. So you've got that downloaded. So the next thing is going to be go over to my Telegram, and that is where you're going to go to so you're going to, if you're just joining it now, then you're going to go to the general side. That's where you're going to say, oh, yeah, I joined the group. Good job. Go to my tools section over here. And in the tools section, you're going to find my files. Okay. So you're going to download right click on it and click save as for each one of these files. All right. Now I'm putting these right in here. These are the way I organize my folders. I got a design folder. So I'm putting the plan file in here. Save it. I'm going to put the sheet set file right next to it. Those two pretty much need to live together. That's a good idea. And then these other files, I'm pretty much using the other 4 files in here to set up my software with my toolbars and templates and stuff, so that you guys can just follow my videos and save yourself the time. So you're going to pretty much just like save these on your computer. Someplace you're only going to look at them once. I've got an import folder here for that, just so I know where to find them. So I'm just going to click save for each one of these things. All right, last one. So I'm going to save this. There we go. Now I've got all 4 of these files where I know where they are, and I've got these 2. These are the 2 working files. These are just background. Okay, so next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to that folder where you got these things saved, and you're going to open up the plan file. And assuming you've registered your software and you know how to do that, and it's all set up, no big deal. It's going to open up a file. Now, it may or may not look right, and it might throw you some codes. What we're going to work on is figuring the correct workspaces and stuff so that you guys can see what I see when we're drawing. So first thing you got to do is we got to get the toolbar thing set up. So you're going to right click on the toolbar somewhere and go to customize toolbars. It's going to open this window up. You're going to go to configurations. And then I've got these currently in here, but you're going to need to import mine. So go to import, and you are going to find that file. I put it here for myself. There it is. That's the one you downloaded from my Telegram. You're going to click on this. You're going to click open, and then boom, there it is in there. So now I've got 2. Boom. So now you've got it. So you're going to click on it, and you click switch to or whatever, and that's your active toolbar configuration. So you'll click close, and now this toolbar area with these buttons should look like mine. And this is important because I've set this up so that it's very simple for you guys to draw. That is the whole point of this. I am trying to give you guys buttons to push. You don't have to really know a lot about how this software works. You just got to push buttons. So now we're going to import some other things. So we're going to click File, Import, and we're going to skip the Save Plan views. Those are already in the file correctly. Going to import layer sets. Okay, do the same thing. Go to where they're stored. Import the layer sets. Click Open. And we're just going to select all of them. We want all of the layer sets to come across, and we can replace. That's fine. We don't care what existing layer sets were already in there. So just hit OK, and then boom, in and go the layer sets. And then we're going to import again. This time we want the default sets. Again, go find the default sets. All you guys are doing in this process is you are formatting your software to look and work like mine. Now, in this case, it says overwrite existing defaults. Sure. It doesn't really matter what you guys do. Just hit OK. You just want the defaults to be in there. Now, in my case, I've already got all these defaults, and so it's just renaming them as number 2. So I'm actually going to just hit OK. So now we're going to import wall definitions. Okay, so this is going to be wall types and weird stuff like that. So I actually need to go here, import wall definitions. Okay, replace existing walls. Yes. Okay, so we got our imports taken care of. So now your software is should be set up to look like mine, function like mine, all of the like layers and stuff. Over here in your library browser, if you go to like pick through this, you should see in your manufacturer catalog that you've got Certainteed and James Hardy. You don't need all the other ones, but like if you should have those in there. But if you have any problems along this process, just message me on Telegram and I'll get you make sure you set up with whatever you need. So this is it. Your software is ready to go. It is ready to draw. It's formatted, downloaded, paid for. You are ready to start drawing your plans. And the next video is going to get into how to start doing that.